IPP Solutions LLC specializes in providing innovative pipe rehabilitation solutions to all kinds of businesses, from small to large. We specialize in trenchless, no-dig sewer repair, as well as all interior drain, waste, and vent systems spray-in-place lining, a non-destructive, fast method for restoring vertical drain, waste, and vent sewer pipes in apartments, commercial buildings, and homes. Repairing vertical pipe runs inside multi-story buildings can be difficult due to access issues with bulky pipelining equipment. Vertical piping in an apartment or commercial building can be easily accessed through any of its multiple tie-ins, and then spray-coated and restored, often in less than a day. First, a small but powerful camera is sent down the pipe to inspect and determine the degree of clogging, scale, and corrosion. Then the pipes need to be descaled and cleaned using a high-speed rotary chain cleaning. A hydrojetter is then sent down the pipes, washing away any remaining debris. After the debris has been flushed, the pipe caster spray head is fitted with a correctly sized skid and then inserted into the pipes all the way down to the desired endpoint. The spray head is then pulled back at a constant rate, spraying the polyurea resin mixture onto the interior of the pipe as it goes. The resulting coating is a seamless, flexible, and strong pipe within a pipe that will last for many years to come. Our coating methods are available for any kind of pipes, including drain waste and vent systems, and are both ASTM tested and NSF 61 approved. Spraylining is just one of the many trenchless technologies we offer to repair the waste pipes under your home or building. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can assist you in achieving superior results with our innovative trenchless rehabilitation systems.